If you've been scrolling through YouTube searching for a free lip sync AI tool, just like I used to in the past, you've probably only found paid ones or tools with strict limits, right? You get just a few seconds of output or maybe one video per account, and then you're stuck creating temp emails all day. That's frustrating, especially when you're just starting and can't afford paid tools. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna show you one powerful tool that actually works. It's not completely unlimited, but it gives you up to 10 30-second lip sync generations per day, and every 24 hours your credits renew automatically. That means it's practically unlimited for most creators. First, I'll show you how to create lip sync videos from a still image. Then we'll move to video to character lip sync to make your results look more natural with motion. Finally, I'll teach you how to combine everything to make 3 to 4 minute or longer AI talking avatar videos, all for free. Plus, as a bonus, I'll share one AI video generation tool that is completely free and unlimited to use. You're gonna get everything in this video. So if it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if it doesn't help you, you can unsubscribe and dislike the video later. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Whisk AI. Click on the first link that appears. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see a sign in option in the top right corner. Click on it and sign up using your Gmail account. After signing in, you'll see the first option, Whisk. Click Launch Whisk and the Whisk interface will open. Then click Enter Tool. On the left side, click the arrow icon and under Subject, upload your character image. Once you've imported the image, you'll see 3 tabs next to Describe Your Idea. Click the middle one, Aspect Ratio, and select Landscape. After that, move your cursor over the imported avatar character and you'll see an Edit option in the corner. Click it, copy the image prompt from there, and return to the main Whisk page. Now, paste that prompt under Describe Your Idea and hit Generate. Your avatar image will be expanded to cover the whole landscape layout, making it suitable for longer YouTube video content. Finally, choose any version you like and hit download to save it. Now, let's move on to the second step. Open your browser and search for Remaker AI. Then, click the first link that appears. When the interface loads, you'll see the Image Upscaler option. Just click on it. Next, upload the avatar image you just downloaded from Whisk. Once the upscale process is complete, simply hit Download to save it. Finally, to create the character lip sync, open your browser and search for Dreamface AI. Then click the first link that appears. Once the page loads, click the login button in the top right corner and sign up with your Gmail. After you sign in, you'll see the free option on the top right side. When you tap on your profile button, you'll notice that you can generate up to 10 free lip syncs per day. This means if you use all 10 today, you'll get another 10 the next day. And that's really awesome. Now click on the Photos, Videos option and upload your upscaled avatar image there. Once the image is uploaded, simply tap the X to close the window. To generate the lip sync, you can either type your text, maximum limit is 500 characters, and you can find the Voices tab where you'll find many voice options. You can even upload your own voice under the Mine section. For now, we'll add our own voice. Next to the text box, tap on the Audio option. Under Upload Audio or Video, upload your audio file. Once it's uploaded, you'll see that the free plan allows you to generate up to 30 seconds of lip sync video with your audio. So trim your audio if it's longer than 30 seconds and then tap Generate. It'll take around 2 to 3 minutes to create the talking avatar video. Once it's generated, tap on it to open it. However, you'll notice that the quality is quite low. To improve it, click on Video Enhance. Don't worry, this feature is also free. After about a minute, the video quality will be improved a bit. Now, just tap Download to save your final video. Let's see how the result turns out.
Hey everyone, I'm Kuru, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Kuru. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI character lip sync videos completely for free.
Well, the video is good, but it still feels robotic. There are no body movements in the avatar. So let me teach you how to create a talking and moving avatar video. First, open your browser and search for Meta AI, then click the first link and log in with your Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll see the interface. This tool actually lets you create unlimited images and videos completely for free. Now tap on Create a Video from my photo and import your AI avatar image. After that, just hit Send. It will take a few minutes to generate the video. Let's preview it. Well, I don't really like the result, and we haven't even given it a proper prompt for what we actually want. So let's try again. Tap on the plus button, then click on Add Media and import the image again. This time, I'll write a proper action prompt to animate the avatar and then hit Send again. This time, the result turned out perfect. Just click Download to save it. Now, return to Dreamface AI. Tap on the Photos/Videos option again and import the newly downloaded avatar video. Then click Generate again. After a minute, you'll get your talking avatar video, now with movements. Next, tap on Video Enhance to improve the video quality. And that's it. Here's the final result. It turned out perfect. Just tap Download to save it, and let's check the video.
Hey everyone, I'm Kuru, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Kuru. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI character lip-sync videos completely for free.
The video is good, but because of the watermark, it looks unprofessional. So before I show you how to remove the watermark, notice that we still have 6 free video generations left. We used it 4 times today, 2 times for generating the talking avatar, and 2 times for enhancing the quality, so that's a total of 4 out of 10 for the day. And if you check under plans, you can clearly see that I'm using the free plan, not the paid one, so don't call it a scam later on. To remove the watermark, open your browser and search for any eraser. Then, click the first link. Once the page loads, click Try it online and then click Login to sign up using your Gmail. After that, under Upload here, upload your downloaded video that has the watermark. Once the video is uploaded, increase the brush size and paint over the entire watermark area. When it's fully covered, tap Remove Object Now, and within a few minutes, you'll get your video without the watermark. Just tap Download to save it. Another simple method is to use CapCut. Just import the watermarked video, increase the scale of the video until the watermark moves out of the visible frame, and when the watermark is no longer visible, click Export to save it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you want to learn more about YouTube automation or get access to free AI tools and guidance, feel free to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the comment section.